Hi everybody. I just want to say I'm sorry for overwhelming you with videos and parent squares, but as I learn to do things and new things that come up, I want to keep you updated. I knew quite a bit of all this online thing, but we never really had to teach online, so we're learning, and I hope you could be patient with me as I'm learning more as I go, and ultimately, I'm looking for what is easier for you and your child. So, I found a different way of how to access Zoom that it's totally easier. So, pretty much when your child logs into Clever, where all the apps are, they would just go to my page with my face on it, and they all they have to do to join a Zoom meeting with me would be just to click this button, and then it would ask you to open Zoom on the Chromebook, and that's all you have to do. So it's super easy, and hopefully this way more students can join. So it's just the one with the video camera icon, and it says Miss Maravilla Zoom Classroom. They won't have to input anything, just click into it. It might prompt them to write their name or type in their name, but no class code or anything. So just at the time that I post, they just come here to Clever and then click here and they're in. I hope that helps.